Hi, I'm Valerie, and I'm a Penn Foster student, and I am in the graphic design program.
Hello, my name is Aya. I'm a Penn Foster high school student.
I'm Chandra. I'm in the obstetrician program.
My goal is to be an art director. That I'm excited about.
I want to become an architectural engineer.
I knew I wanted to go back to school, but I didn't know where. I saw Penn Foster. I had heard about Penn Foster. I said, let me investigate a little bit, and I liked what I saw.
I heard a little about it here and there, and I thought, why not give it a try? And after starting, I really liked it, and I thought this is for me,
So having the convenience of doing it at home is a big plus for me because I work full time.
Penn Foster is amazing. It really is an amazing program. I really like it. So I find that at Penn Foster, you're able to control the amount of work. You're able to focus more on a specific section that you feel like you need to.
So I want to enjoy my work. I want to have fun. I want to travel, and I think this will put me in line to do that.
If you talk to the reps, they're willing to work with you. Everybody's so nice, so personable, and you need that. Even though it's online, you're willing to make yourselves available. I feel like Penn Foster is interested in you succeeding. They're standing behind your success.